In this tutorial, you will build a full-stack React app using FormCMS and Cursor, without writing a single line of backend code. Step 1. Start the FormCMS backend. Run this Docker command in your terminal. It exposes port 5000 for the REST API, the admin portal, and the built-in MCP server. Open localhost 5000/mate. Follow the setup wizard to create your super admin account. Next, go to Settings, then API Key Configuration, and click Generate. Copy this key, you will need it in the next step. Step 2. Connect Cursor to FormCMS. In your project root, create the file .cursor/mcp.json. Add the FormCMS MCP server entry with its SSE URL and an authorization header. Paste your API key as the bearer token value. Step 3. Add the AI rules file. Run this curl command to download the FormCMS skill into .cursor/rules. This teaches Cursor how to use FormCMS APIs, schema design, data seeding, and deployment. Step 4. Scaffold the project. Open the Cursor chat panel and type this prompt. Cursor will create a Vite plus React app, configure the proxy, define your schema entities, seed sample data, and start the dev server, all automatically. Step 5. Build the frontend. Ask Cursor to build components like PostList and PostDetail. Because Cursor already knows your schema from the MCP tools, it uses the correct field names automatically. Step 6. Deploy. Tell Cursor to build and deploy as the home page. It runs npm run build, zips the output, and calls the deploy SPA MCP tool. Your full-stack app is now live from a single container. That is it. You now have a full-stack React application, schema, data, frontend, and deployment built entirely through Cursor. No manual backend work required.